Nut choc. For this recipe you'll need peanut butter, salt, a chocolate bar, some butter, some honey, some oil, coconut oil, lightly salted peanuts if wanted. So you start by putting water in a pan. Then you get some chocolate in a bowl. Put that over, ideally a glass bowl. Turn the heat up and it starts to melt. Add some butter. That will make it melt faster. If you want, you can add some more chocolate. Never enough chocolate, especially in this recipe. So you can leave that to melt until it goes nice and gooey. Then you'll have a very enjoyable bowl of yummy melted chocolate. So stir that up so that it's nice and gooey. Make sure there's as little lumps as can be. There. Now, you put the chocolate in a container. Mould. Pour it in only half. Be careful to not put the whole lot in. Then, make sure there's chocolate everywhere. Then you put it in the freezer. Meanwhile, that's gone solid. You grab your peanut butter, put about 2 scoops in to a medium-sized bowl. Then get some coconut oil and scoop that in as well. About 1 or 2 scoops too. Add a bit of honey. Only a bit, don't make it too sweet. Once that's all there, then you can start to slowly mix it. If you need more, then add more. But when you're done with that, take your chocolate mix out of the freezer. And put the nut mix in. And scoop it all in. When you're done with that, put it in all the nooks and crannies. When you're done that, put the rest of the chocolate mix in. And do the same of the spreading around. Put all of it in. This time you won't need it anymore. Make sure you've got every part of it. You can't have a single part of it without chocolate on. It's just not right. Then you add the lightly salted peanuts. Make sure that they're nicely put in and they're spread around. If you want, you can always put more peanuts in, but only when the chocolate mix is still wet. Then you put that in the freezer. After, you can open it up, get it out, and there you have it. But still, you can't eat it as just the long strip. You'll have to chop it up. It's easy to dice this. I hope you liked it. Enjoy!